All left.
All left. Hey guys, so today we're at Richard's house. Maybe we can introduce everybody just in case people haven't seen the old video. So I'm Dustin.
first?
Oh, you first.
I'm Dustin.
I'm Raymond.
All right.
I'm Richie.
Maricar,
I'm Richard.
Marky.
And Marky. And Arnie is Richard's brother.
Yeah.
Or yeah. So today we have a few different things today. We're gonna cook kamote, like smashed kamote with milk.
Yes, with margarine.
With margarine. All right, I'm excited for this because last time we were here, we had that. They treated us to that, and it was very, very good. And today we have to learn how to make it.
We call that milk kamote. There's milk tea, right?
Milk tea.
Now today we cook
Milk kamote. I like that. They should start serving that to milk tea restaurants.
Yeah.
Like instead of milk tea, you can have milk kamote.
Maybe Richard can build.
That's a new business.
Yeah. And happy birthday to Richard.
Thanks.
So today is a very good day. Richie beat me to it. But so Richard just got off work. So thanks for coming here today. So he's probably a little tired. But we have some good news for you today. It is his birthday, so that's one thing. But I was gonna say happy birthday to you. But Richie beat me to it.
We always have the same mind.
Yeah, we think alike.
We think alike. Same mind.
So we do have some good news. And we have two. Before we talked here, Richard and his family, they're living here and they don't have a CR right now. So two people wanted to gift you for the same thing. So that means there might be some extra at the end of it.
Not
But,
just one, but
two people.
Wow.
So the first one, a shout out to Steve from Los Angeles.
Oh.
He wanted to donate 11,400 pesos for a CR.
Wow.
Yeah, very, very cool.
Thank you for
It's such a perfect day because today's his birthday. So
Yay! Birthday gift.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So, but one more.
Or the second one.
Yeah, and this is a no name. This is anonymous. But they want to gift you 24,200. For a total of 35,600 for a CR. But then I'm sure that there is going to be extra. We'll keep track of everything, and then whatever's extra, I'll give you a little house tour after we're finished. But look at his face. So we're gonna put a CR somewhere, and then when they're when we're finished the CR or whatever we want to do first, because we know there's gonna be money left over.
Yeah.
So whatever Richard wants to do first, we can maybe cover. Yeah, we can cover here. It's up to Richard whatever he wants to do, and where he wants to put the CR.
Yeah.
So we have some planning to do, and then getting some supplies. He's still sinking.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Amano. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sardo.
We call him Sardo King.
Sardo King?
Yeah, the
What does
king.
that mean?
Sardo King.
No.
It's like he's the king.
Is the
Sardo and then king. He's
King of eating.
Yeah. Of everything? Are you sure? King of eating? Who's a better eater? Really?
Oh, don't you know that Richard can eat even if it's very, very hot?
Wow.
He do like this.
Spicy?
Hot.
Hot. Like he knit hot?
Eat it. He do
I
like
can't
this.
take that. Only Richard.
Really?
Alright.
After Lola cook, he do like this.
It's like on the fire. It's like
Yeah.
It's like
His
lava.
mouth is like this.
That's, I don't know how you do that.
That's his
Wow.
talent.
That's why
That's a
Sardo
good
King.
talent.
Really?
King of eating.
Sardo King. All right.
I'm his assistant.
So I'm surprised that even you said he's a better eater. All right. We'll have to see him eat sometime. Today we'll get to see him eat. So is this a good birthday surprise for you today?
Yeah. So I'm so happy today.
We're happy too. It's okay. It's good for the camera if he cries.
Oh.
So I'm just joking. But really, I'm happy that today was his birthday and we got to tell you all the good news today. That's awesome.
Wait. He's going to cry. Your tears here.
There's Arnie. So I guess we'll do maybe before we cook, we'll do a little walk around, and maybe Richard can start to get an idea of what he wants to do. And it's up to you if you'd rather do the CR first or this first, but we can discuss that later. But for you guys, we'll give you a little walk around.
Yes.
All right, cool. So thank you, Crystal. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All the kids are here because we're about to have a really good meal. But I'll do a quick walk around so you guys can kind of see where he's staying right now. So here's the outside. And I'll just walk around this way. All right, guys, so I'll give you a little idea of what we are thinking kind of about a little bit, but depends, of course, as we go along, things might change. But Richard was thinking about maybe putting the CR here, like inside, and then having the septic tank there, and then we'll go from there. It depends how much money we have left over. So a big thank you to Steve and Anonymous. You guys are amazing. It's just awesome that you guys are doing this. And to everyone else who has helped with other projects, this is kind of, those that are new to my channel, this is kind of how things work. If you guys ever see anything that you guys like to help with or anything like that, it's just really awesome that you guys do this. It's much appreciated. You can get a hold of me, Dustin Backpacks is my Facebook. My Gmail is dustinbackpacks@gmail.com. So anytime you see anything like, hey, I'd like to help this person do that, it's just amazing. And then thank you guys so much. I can't.
Thank you.
Yeah, I can't
Thank
stop
you for
saying
sponsor.
that.
Thank you.
Thank
I'm
you.
happy.
Steve
today.
and Anonymous.
Thank you, Steve and Anonymous. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you guys very much. So eventually we'll get the supplies. And Richard is a very hard worker. He does not have a day off. He works in town in Toledo. So he does not get a day off right now. So we're gonna try our best to work around that. And he helped with his Lola's CR too.
Yeah.
So he's a very, very hard worker.
Sido
Thank
King.
you.
Yeah.
That's
Shadow
okay,
King,
yeah.
yeah. He doesn't mess around with anything. When he eats hard. When he works hard.
Yes.
He's a good guy.
Yes.
That's hard though.
Yeah, that's
It's not equal. He works hard, eats hard.
eats hard, yeah.
He eats a lot.
Eats hard,
The
reach
food
hard.
Eats hard with chard.
Unlimited food in Jollibee, right?
Yeah. No. Unlimited.
No, unlimited.
No eat.
They don't allow you because you are the king.
No free. Sardo King, Ala King.
Lacking.
Alright.
So is anybody excited to eat? We'll cook first? Alright, me too.
First.
Alright.
Get it on first.
So we have some chefs that are gonna teach us how to cook this.
Yes.
And before we eat, happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Alright, see you.
Thank you. So
Thank
we're-
you, Steve. And
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
To all sponsor. Thank you.
Alright, Jing Jing, get ready.
All right, so we're gonna prepare all the ingredients and then we'll show you guys how to cook this meal. We're not sure what the name is, so if anybody knows what the name is, it's like
Similar to smashed potato.
it's kind of like
There's
mashed
milk.
potatoes, but with milk. But it's with sweet potatoes, so it's even better.
Yeah.
No need to add sugar, right?
Yes.
Okay.
No sugar.
All right, no sugar. Cool.
Jing.
Jing Jing. Double? Jing
Her
Jing?
name is Maricar, but her nickname is Jing
Jing
Jing.
Jing.
Jing Jing?
Yeah, yeah.
All right, Jing Jing. All right.
Jing
Jing Jing.
Taba Jing Jing. Taba Jing Jing.
Everybody Jing Jing to the purple.
You can say for short, marrying.
Mary Jing.
Yeah,
Maricar
Maricar
Jing.
and Jing.
Mary Jing.
Mary Jing.
Oh,
All right.
brilliant,
You
man.
call me Marimar.
Mari.
Many names.
All right, Jing Jing of many, many different names.
Yeah.
So, Mary Jing or Jing Jing or Mary Mar.
And Maricar.
So she has already cooked the camote. So we're on to the next step. So if you want to try this at home, first step is to cook the camote with hot water, with boiled water. And so the next step is we're just gonna put it on here
Yes.
and probably peel the skin. So we'll fast forward until we peel the skin. All right, so they just finished washing their hands about a week ago.
Yes.
And panit here.
No, remove the skin.
Panit here. I like your English, Sardo. Panit here.
Panit. What's panit?
Panit is peel.
Peel, all right. So all you out there that's learning Bisaya, palit is peel.
Don't eat, Shadow King.
Yeah, I bet it's hard for Richard to make meals. Does he usually eat it as you cook?
Yeah.
You peel, eat.
Pil.
Every time I cook food, Richard always finish.
All right, so we're on to the third step, which is mixing it. So we have some different colors. I was talking to Richie. She says the orange and the violet are probably the most sweet. Yeah.
I agree.
All right, it's all mixed together.
Yes.
And now the third step, I think we're on number 3. And this
Fourth.
is, no,
Fourth.
4th. Okay. And what is this? Just to let people know.
Condensed milk.
Doreen, all right.
Another
Condensed
advertisement.
milk.
Another advertisement. I'm still waiting on the paychecks from the other ones.
Yes.
do you use the whole can?
No.
No? Okay.
Half. Maybe half.
So you can just use as much as you want.
Apel ba ko rin mong kanday?
No.
Including the can.
Including the can.
Raymond is too bad. Then, margarine.
Margarine, all right.
I always say margarine.
Next, mix together.
And that's pretty much the final step, right?
Yes.
All right.
Ready to eat?
And the last step is
Eating. That's my favorent step.
Oh, wait, Richard.
Once it's on the last step, I'll help with that one.
get another spoon or plate, then
You must
And then
keep away
eat.
to Richard. No,
What?
you must keep away to Richard.
This is one of my favorites so far. It's good. Out of
I like to eat this
kamote.
while I'm watching on TV.
It's a perfect snack. I agree.
Snack set.
Huh?
Snack set.
A snack cert?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good name.
Snack na dessert.
Snack, dessert, snack cert. All right, so now we're on the final step. We're all left.
I'm the holder for today.
All right.
Together.
So this is the finished product, and all it was margarine and
Condensed milk.
Doreen, condensed milk, and then kamote.
Yeah.
So just 3 things.
And with
very easy.
spoon.
With spoon, yeah. So very easy thing to make. If you guys want to try this at home, go for it. It's really easy.
Yes.
I'm gonna try this when I get home. Well, here we go.
1, 2, 3,
Go.
A little only, a little.
Raymond's holding the kamote.
Yeah, he's eating a kamote while he's eating the kamote milk tea.
Hey, Dustin, just
See, Richie?
like this, like this,
Hey guys.
Get it? Get it?
Big Raymond.
All right, so I hope you guys learned something about the kamote meal today. And then also, the main reason why we came over here was to announce the good news. We tried to surprise them. We told them, hey, can we come over and make a meal with you guys? And like, yeah, of course. So thank you for inviting us over and having this
thank
meal
you.
with you.
And thank you for mine.
What?
Bread mine. Perfect timing.
And Richard was saying thank you.
Thank you for sponsor.
Yeah, thank you
Yeah.
guys very much.
Thank you for Steve and
Anonymous.
Anonymous. Thank you.
And I guess very soon we'll figure out, since Richard's working every day, we'll try to figure out to get the supplies and get going on this. So I don't know when we'll be able to update this, but very soon we'll probably start digging the hole because there's a lot that goes into building CR and everything goes around with it. But this is great news. This is awesome.
Yeah.
So we're excited to get started on this.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Also, his wife, Mary Jane, is very excited.
Basta hardworking. Basta hardworking. Na-blessed dyan, di ba, Sardo?
Yeah, best jud kayo.
You will be blessed if you're a hardworking
Yeah.
guy.
And they're make a good team because he's a hardworking worker at work, and then she's a hardworking mother.
Yeah.
So I mean, that's a very hard job as well. So and it'd be nice because I didn't really walk inside, but right now the 3 of them are sharing this room, and Mark, he's young now, but eventually he'll be a little bit older. So it'd be nice to kind of extend it a little bit. So that'll help out a lot. But we'll figure out that after we do the CR, and then hopefully we can eventually have a little space for Marky too.
Someone steal the milk.
Who's getting Doreen over there?
That's why he's so quiet.
Yeah, that's why Arnie was quiet.
Oh, I think
How old is Marky now?
3 years.
3 years old. Okay.
This coming September 9, he become 4 years old.
4 years old. All right. So again, thank you guys very much. We're probably just gonna head back soon,
bro. Thank you.
and then very soon we'll keep you guys updated with this project.
Yeah.
So you guys take care, and we'll see you guys next time.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Thank you.
All right, so we are leaving Richard's house. I just want to show you some of the views. He has a really nice scenery around this area. And then over there, I'll show you when we go over there. There's also a really nice scenery over there. Yeah, if you've seen the old videos where one video was we climbed up there and cooked corn. Yeah, and that's like a path going through there, up on that mountaintop. If you guys want to check out that video, it's called like cooking corn on top of the mountain or something like that.
Yeah.
But that was a really fun day.
Yeah.
And then this is where Jerome used to live.
Yeah,
Yeah.
play
And now he's living
basketball.
beyond there. Yeah, we played many games over here. A volleyball, and then basketball. The ring used to be right there. All right, so here's the other sides. Richards is right over there, and here's the other side. I just want to check out, show you guys this view. And then up there, you can see a better view of the mountain. We climbed all the way up there and cooked corn all the way up there. So this is a really cool spot. And then down there is Lola's house. Richie's Lolo and Lola. Well, this is so cool because like we're on top of the mountain. You can see absolutely everything. What'd you find there, Raymond? Oh, the whistle. Oh, the toothbrush. So if you get something stuck in your teeth, and this is guava, right?
Yeah, but not right.
Not a ripe one. So that's the one, that's the best for the teeth?
Yeah.
All right.
Brush my teeth. That's 2 weeks.
That's 2 weeks.